Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk through the updated steps to change your username on Roblox using your Android device. Whether you want to update your username for a fresh start or just feel like changing things up, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app and log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner. This will open up the Settings menu where you can manage your account. Step 3. In the menu, tap on Settings. Here, you'll find all the options to customize and control your account. Step 4. Next, select Account Info from the list. This section allows you to edit your personal details. Step 5. Now, tap the pencil icon next to Username. This will allow you to change your current username to something new. Step 6. To change your username, tap the pencil icon next to your current username. It will prompt you to enter a new name. Step 7. Keep in mind, Roblox requires you to pay 1,000 Robux to confirm the change. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase using your available Robux. Step 8. Enter your desired new username. Make sure it's unique and something you'll be happy with, as this will be your identity on Roblox. Step 9. After your new username is confirmed, you can log in with your updated username. You'll be all set with your new identity on Roblox. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Roblox username. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.